I'm working on a Mercedes, replacing the driver's side seat. You can see the covers gone bad. I think it's a common issue with these Mercedes. And so what I've done, I've already laid the seat back as far back as it goes. And the next thing, I've already done this as well. You can see there's two torx bolts here. They're T30s, and they just hold this clamp here. It looks like a conduit clamp. This side slips into a slot, and on the front there's a screw. And you can see that's the only thing holding the seat in place. There's one on this side and one over here. And you can see now the seat just will come up. So the next thing I need to do is lift the seat up and disconnect the seat heater. And so I just pull the seat up, pull it forward, and you can see there's one cable there. That's for the seat heater. And there will be a zip tie here. This one's been disconnected already. And then so now I've just got to disconnect this connector here for the seat heater. And so from this view you can see the connector that I'm working with there. It's black and white. There's one going in and one coming out. So I'm replacing the seat cover in this Mercedes, and I've got it from Richmond Auto Interiors. They've got some pretty good videos about how to disassemble the seat. But one thing they didn't really cover, and I'm going into it in a little more detail, is I went ahead and just cut the wire, and because I can easily splice it back for the seat heater. And also I wanted to also measure the resistance, and I get 12.5 ohms. And I wanted to, while I have this out, I wanted to check it by flexing the seat a lot and make sure that the wiring is intact, and so I can run my hand along it and watch the resistance, and I can flex the seat and make sure it's not going to open up. And I just wanted to check that out before I put it all back together. And there's the tag for the this particular seat heater, and generally I get about 12 ohms on it. So I've installed the seat cover, and it turned out pretty good. I'm getting ready to go install it back in the car. And like I said earlier, instead of trying to disconnect the connectors, I just clip the wires and put my own connectors on there. It's easier for me. So I've got the seat installed in the Mercedes, and turned out pretty nice. Brand new seat. In a kind of an old car.